Hello children, welcome back to today's online yoga class. Hope all are safe in home. Be ready with your workbook, notebook, student reader, pencil, eraser, etc. If you are ready, let's start the today's class. In our phonics part, we already learnt the double consonant sounds. What are the double consonant sounds we learnt in our previous classes? S. And then T. Next, Z. Right? Double consonants means where the two consonant sounds came together to make a single sound is known as double consonant sounds. In this N sound, there are two N comes together and make the same sound N. Look at this. These are the sounds we learned in our last classes. Here, these two consonants N, right? These two consonants come together to make the same sound N. Here, these two consonants come together. The two consonants are T, right? Comes together to make the same sound T. And then Z. N, T, Z. We already learned how to read the words with these double consonants in our previous classes. Today I want all of you to open your SR16. We are going to read the words for these double consonants in SR13. I give you 3 seconds. Just open your SR13 and the page number 85 in your SR book unit 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all opened your SR13? Yes. Now we are going to start reading the words with these double consonant sounds. Look at the first sound. N. N as in dinner. N as in bonnet. You just point out with your finger and then read along with me. N as in winner. N as in tunnel. N as in running. N as in cannot. N as in manner. N as in. N as in planner. Turn next page, SR14. Look at the next sound. Here, these two letters, T. Here, T, the double consonant sound T. Here, the T comes 2 times and gives the same sound T. T. Kitten. T. Butter. T. Cotton. T. Button. T. Gutter. T. Mutter. T. Shutter. T. Letter. T. Bitten. T. Better. Let us move on to the next sound. Look at the next sound. Z. Here the consonant Z comes 2 times, double and then give the same sound Z. Z as in buzzer. Z as in pizza. Z as in drizzle. Z as in sizzle. Z as in whiz. Z as in frizzed. Z as in buzzing. Z as in zazz. Z as in fuzz. Z as in fizz. Look at the screen. Now we are going to read practicing the double consonants with more words. See the picture and guess the word. What they are doing? Yes, they are eating their dinner. Right, dinner. Which sound is missed here? Can you find the sound? Which is the sound missed in this word dinner? Yes, n. Here n comes 2 times to make the single sound n. Dinner. Repeat again, dinner. Look at the next. See the picture. What picture is this? Can you find this picture? Yes, button. Button. Which is the sound missed in this word button? Yes, t. Here the consonant T comes together to make the single sound t. Button. Button. Repeat again, button. Children, next I want all of you to complete your worksheet 22 and the page number 108 in unit 8. I give you 3 seconds to be ready with your workbook and also pencil eraser. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, have you all opened your worksheet 22? Yes, listen to the first question. Fill in the blanks with the correct double consonants. Here, the double consonants are given in these boxes. Below these consonant sounds, there are some words with the pictures are given. You just look at the picture carefully and then identify the word, say the word and then have to fill this blank with the correct double consonant from the options given. Right. Yes, I give you 3 seconds. You just pause the video and then try to complete these worksheets as your own independently. At the end of our today's session, I will show the answers for these worksheets. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, children. Now let us move on to our whole words part. In our whole words part, I will give you a dictation of the words we already learnt in our last classes. In our last class, we learnt the spelling of the new whole words. How to write the spelling of the words in our notebook. Today, I will show the flashcards of the word we already learnt. And then you just read the word and then I will take away the card from your view. You just write the spelling of the word and say and write the spelling of the word in your notebook. So be ready with your notebook and then pencil. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. See the word. First we have to read this word and then say the spelling of the word. And then you have to write the spelling in your notebook. Look at the word. What word is this? Still. Still. S T I L L. Still. S T I L L. Still. Now I want you to start reading the word, writing the word still in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. I'm going to start countdown. Say and write the spelling, ma. Your handwriting must be neat and legible. Don't scribble on your notebook. Start reading the word still. Still. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. See the next word. Face. Face. F A C E. Face. F A C E. Face. Face. Just write the spelling of the word face in your notebook. I'm going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing? Let us see the next word. Look at the next word. Match. What word is this? Match. M A T C H. Match. M A T C H. match. Yes, have you read this word? Now start reading the word match. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing? Shall we move to the next word? See the next word, ma. Field. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Repeat again. Say loudly. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Start writing the word field. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us move to the next word. See the word and then say along with me. Miss. Miss. M-I-S. Yes. Miss. Repeat again. M-I-S. Yes. Miss. Start writing the word miss. Say and write the spelling, ma. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing? Let us move to the next word. See the next word. Contact. Contact. C-O-N-T-A-C-T. Contact. C. Repeat again. C-O-N-T-A-C-T. Contact. I am going to start countdown. Start reading the word contact. Say and write the spelling. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the next word. Test. Test. T-E-S-T. Test. T-E-S-T. Test. Say and write the spelling of the word test. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the next word. Divide. Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. Yes. Have you all read this word? Now start writing the word divide. Say and write the spelling, ma. You must say and write the spelling of the word divide. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all complete writing, ma? Yes. If you all complete writing means in your SR book, SR 22, you just make the self correction of the words you wrote in your notebook with the words given in this SR 22. You just make a self correction of the words as your own, ma. If you have done any mistakes means you just pause the video and then try to write the words 2 times in your notebook. Next, I want all of you to open your SR 19 and the page number 91 in Unit 8. I am going to start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at the story. Yes, we read the story in our last class. I hope you all remember this. Now I want all of you to read the story again as your own independently, ma. You just start reading the story as your own with the help of the story, and in the end playground sport. You have to do one worksheet activity. So start reading the story carefully and then try to read the story independently, ma, without anybody's help. Try to read the story as your own. Just pause the video and then read this full story in your SR book. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we are going to ask some questions. You just listen to the questions carefully and then try to answer the questions. Which country does Arjun live in? Yes. Can you answer my question? Which country does Arjun live in? Yes, USA. Arjun was living in USA. Where was Arjun born? Arjun was born in India. Very good. Why does Arjun like Kabaddi? Why does Arjun likes Kabaddi? Arjun likes Kabaddi because he used to play Kabaddi in India and now he is not able to play the game. So that he likes Kabaddi. Now you have to open your worksheet 22 in page number 108 in unit 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you all opened your worksheet 22? Look at the second question. Answer the following questions, ma'am. In this 22, there are three subpart questions. And in worksheet 23, there are D and E subpart questions are given. You just complete all these questions in worksheet 22 and 23 as your own. You just read these questions one by one and try to write the answers for this. You can refer the story in your SR book and Indian playground sport. Just complete it as your own, ma. In the end of today's session, I will show the answers for this. Next, in your notebook, I want you to write a summary of the main idea of the story and Indian playground sport in your notebook. You just write the summary about the main idea. What is the main idea of the story and Indian playground sport in your notebook? You can write it with 2 to 3 lines. What is the main idea of the story and Indian playground sport? You just write it and then take a photo and then send in your WhatsApp group, ma'am. Let us move on to our grammar part. Just open your worksheet SR book SR 18 and the page number 90 in your SR book, ma'am. 3, 2, 1, 0. Today in our grammar part, I am going to revise the possessive determiners. Words that shows belonging of objects to different people or animals are called possessive determiners. Who the objects was belong to. Who the object belong to is known as the possessive determiners. Look at the first word, my. My shows belonging to I. I eat my breakfast. Your shows belonging to you. You bring your bag to school. Our shows belonging to us or we. We go to our home. His shows belonging to he. Norman drives his car. Next word, her shows belonging to she. Kavya rides her bike. Its shows belonging to it. The dog ate its biscuit. Look at the next word, their shows belonging to they. They carry their bags to school. These are the possessive determiners. Now we will do a worksheet activity. I want you to open worksheet 23 in page number 109. Look at the second question in worksheet 23, ma. Fill the blanks with an appropriate possessive determiner. You have to complete these blanks with your Possessive determiners. You just read this sentence and then try to complete this blank with the appropriate correct possessive determiners as your own. In the end of today's session, I will show the answers for this. Look at the screen. I will show one model how to do this worksheet activity. Look at the picture. The girl is. You have to complete this blank with the correct possessive determiner. The girl is. What she is doing? Yes, she is carrying her bag, right? The girl is carrying her bag. Her bag. Look at the next picture. Who is he? Yes, he is a boy. The boy is what he is doing? Riding the cycle, right? So, the boy is riding his scooter. Now, you start complete the worksheet 23 second questions independently. Next, worksheet 24. Look at the first question. See each picture and complete the sentence accordingly. Here one model quiz example is done for you. The boy is riding his bicycle. Look at the next. Sakshi is what the girl is doing, ma? She is Sakshi. What Sakshi is doing? Yes, Sakshi is writing her homework. Right, Sakshi is writing her homework. Look at the C question. They are. What they are doing? They are eating their dinner, right? They are eating their dinner. Look at the D questions. Look at this picture. He is Vipin. What he is doing? Yes, he is painting his room. Vipin is painting his room. Look at the next question. Komal. What she is doing? She is watering her plant. Komal is watering her plant. Look at the next question. The dog. The dog is eating its food. Because, yes, it is the animal. So that the possessive determiner for this dog is its. The dog is eating its food. Like this, you have to complete this question as your own in worksheet 24. Let us move on to our writing and speaking expression. In our last class, we wrote a paragraph about an Indian sport we should support. This week, we will follow the same steps and write about what do I learn from sports. Yes, you have to write with the help of this heading. You will think of about what do you like to play sports and what do you learn from it. You just write in a full sentence in your notebook, ma. Yes, in the end of today's session, I will show the answers for the worksheet activities. You just take a photo and then send in your WhatsApp group. Now I will show the answers for our today's worksheets activities. Now we are going to complete our today's session. Look at this. These are the answers for our today's worksheet activity. Worksheet 22, first question. Winner, tunnel, button, kitten, pizza, buzzer. You just copy these answers and then look at the second question. Answer the following questions. Look at this second question. You just copy the answers in your notebook, workbook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this. These are the answers for worksheet 23, D and E questions. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. You just pause the video and then copy the answers in your workbook. Look at this second question. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, worksheet 24. First question answers. Yes, you just make a self-correction with your answers. If you didn't complete means you just pause the video and then try to complete this answers for this worksheet activities in your workbook. Okay children, now we are going to complete our today's session. I want you to practice reading all the words from your SR book, and also you have to publish the article written on what do I learn from sports neatly on a fresh page in your notebook. You have to write about this title, what do I learn from sports, as your own words. You just complete this. Okay goodies, all of you take care. See you in next class. Thank you. Bye.